喐喐。
Hey guys, welcome back. Today my mom is showing us how to make her savory Chinese style pancakes. She used to make these for us over the weekends and I would get really excited when I see her making the batter because I just love eating them so much. They're filled with scallions, dried shrimp, and Chinese sausage, which gives the pancakes umami flavor. Before we begin, I want to note that this style of pancake is very different from the flaky style of scallion pancakes that you can get at Chinese restaurants sometimes. This one is made with a batter. Now, if you want that flaky style of scallion pancake, then I have a recipe for that on my blog. And this recipe will make 4 pancakes, but you can easily double up the recipe if you are serving more people. All right, let's get to my mom.
俾隻蛋落去，1級粉，一隻蛋1級粉，再俾由1/3嘅水加落去，我哋慢慢攪，一邊攪一邊加水。
The batter is going to be very runny, and I recommend letting it sit on the counter for 10 minutes to allow the flour to absorb the water.
好啦，啲粉開好之後咧，我嚟炒下啲餡。
你點解要將啲餡炒一下嘅？
炒下佢等佢香啲、鹹啲啦，加多啲味落去。首先咧，俾啲乾洋葱咧整落去，等佢好味道，啲炒下爆香嘅先。啲葱唔使咁早落。 爆啲洋葱好香少少先，唔使咁快落其他材料。然後倒啲蝦米，啲蝦米因為有少少腥味，所以俾佢第一炒下啲蝦米。
A quick note about the dried shrimp. You can usually find them in Asian supermarkets. Soak them for at least 30 minutes to rehydrate the shrimp, then chop them into small pieces for the filling.
最後俾啲臘腸、臘肉粒落去撈埋，加半茶匙鹽。啲鹽咧俾落呢度又得，俾落啲開粉嗰度俾落去得。加少少蠔油，適量嘅蠔油咧，大概係一茶匙咁上下咧。 俾少少咧生抽，等佢好味道。大概又係1茶匙。然後咧俾埋啲葱落去，啲葱唔使點炒啦，撈下佢得啦。然後咧俾埋啲糖咧，1茶匙嘅糖俾埋落去，攞嚟調味。 如果你係俾雞粉嗰啲咧，你可以唔使俾糖都得。炒好晒啲餡咧，我哋倒落去嗰啲粉漿嗰度。啲粉漿咧同埋啲餡咧撈勻佢先。1級粉就俾由1/3嘅水開佢咧，就咁稀結。 如果稀得滯咧，就好難煎；結得滯咧，就容易煎，但係咧個煎餅就硬啲。多啲油咧就煎起上嚟就香啲、脆啲。如果你話健康，就可以落少啲油。等個鑊熱咧，你就可以加呢啲漿落去煎。然後咧，俾1殼仔嘅粉漿落去。嗱，佢一殼堆咪啲霜。 慢火少少煎。如果你嫌唔靚咧，俾佢刮一刮就佢，等唔好走咗出嚟。不過走出嚟嘅咧，仲脆啲，仲香啲喎。嗱，煎到佢硬身咧，就可以泡起佢，就反轉嘅煎另外一邊。嗱，喐得就可以啦。咁就可以反轉佢，就煎另外一邊啦。 你想嚟反咧都得，俾筷子同埋俾個鑊 鑊鏟咧一打都轉佢，但係有時咧整下佢會爛，所以咧一拋咧就唔怕成個一下反轉，但要趁嗰下力整高啲，然後咧一縮嘅手嗱一拋咁就得啦，順住個手勢，你要接住啊，拋起要接住啊，如果唔係打跌落地下。呢頭又唔係咁穩。要煎到中間咧，要變咗色先熟，咪佢中間唔夠熟，因為中間嘅餅嗰度咧冇咁熱嘅，所以係邊咧容易熟啲，中間咧冇咁容易熟。如果啲粉係白咧，即係證明佢未熟。Hello。香滑嘅葱油薄餅已經煎好晒啦，一杯麵粉啊可以整4個咁大個嘅餅，攞嚟做早餐咧好好食，大家不妨試下啦。Thank you，拜拜。